The euro signal much more profound is what you see in something like the euro pound like this. When you see something like this, it tells you which way that currency is actually going, since the pound is also weak, and that is a clear trend of which way the euro part of it is moving. So we start with the euro dollar, and this is the chart for the euro USD. You can see the decline that's coming into the euro dollar. The trend is down, and with the big move that took place in the US dollar on Friday, we had a big reversal session that took place in the US dollar on Friday. I want you to take an image, a mental picture of this close, and look, for example, at the pound dollar. That's the reversal in the pound dollar. Look at this. That's the reversal in the Aussie dollar. You see that? And you can see it here also. That's the reversal in the Aussie dollar. If you look at the dollar CAD, you could see the decline that we have in the dollar CAD. I don't know, it's not. Anyway, I'm not there for some reason, it's not, but you can see the decline in the dollar CAD. So you can see that the dollar. Anyway, I'm not gonna, there's something wrong with TradeStation, so I'm not. But anyway, what I'm trying to tell you is, in order to gauge the strength and weakness, you have seen the big explosive moves that was in selling the US dollar on Friday, with the pound, with the Aussie, with the CAD. But if you look at this here, it's nothing. I mean, this is just a fizzle. I mean, it just came from 122.50, it went up to 123, and it came back and it closed the week at the 122.89, sitting at the structure point of 122.85. So closing at 122.88, for me, the way it sets up now, it is a sell. But we trade what we see. We don't put opinions and stuff like that. There might be more selling coming into the US dollar. We don't know. So based on that, we are going to short the euro dollar below the 122.85. That is going to be our structural short point, and in this case it will be our stop. That's the easy. You're just one tick away from your structural short, and you can see also these are the validations that you need to have. When you see your structure point and the market side are pretty much one and the same, then you have additional confirmation. Now on the long side, where should we buy it? We must always have a buy signal and a sell signal. And the highest point we reached on Friday was the 123.20, and we were unable to go above it. I have a prior daily low at 123.26, which means 6 pips above this high, 6 pips. So in any case, that will be our buying point above the 123 26. We're going to place our stop below the 123, so we're going to give it 20 pips. So my long point is going to be the 123.26, and my stop is going to be 123 even. And my next structural long point, if it does go above that, that's it, is the 124.55, which is the one from last week. We had from last week. It remains the same, unchanged. So we're going to buy above 123.26. If I do, we have a structural long point at 124.55, and my stop on the long is going to be 123. I'm risking about 26 pips on that trade. On the short side, I'm going to go short below the structure point. It's going to be my short point and my stop. And that is the euro dollar. Let me save that.